Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add loyalty card in Google Wallet. So let's jump right in. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the Add to Wallet button, which you'll find at the bottom right of the screen. On the next screen, select the option labeled Loyalty Card. It's usually one of the first choices you'll see. Now, you'll be able to either scroll through a list of supported loyalty programs or use the search bar at the top to find a specific one. Depending on your location, you might also see local or popular store cards suggested to you. Once you select the card, your phone's camera will open. Position your loyalty card's barcode within the frame to scan it automatically. If the barcode doesn't scan or you prefer to do it manually, you can tap the Enter Manually option instead. From there, just fill in the necessary details like your member ID and any other required information. After everything is filled out, tap Add to Wallet to save the card. And that's it. Your loyalty card is now ready to use with Google